In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage on Facebook Story 5 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks to turn a handful of photos into a clean, eye-catching collage, and I'll share quick tips so your story looks polished on the first try. Start by opening your browser and heading to business.facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the right profile or page shows up. Once you're in, look for the story option and click Create Story. This opens the composer where you'll build your collage. Next, choose Add Photo or Video. A file picker will pop up. Select between 2 and 6 images from your computer. That range is important. Facebook Story collage layouts are designed to work best when you stay within those numbers. As you select, think about visual balance, mix close-ups with wider shots, and try to keep orientations consistent so the layout feels intentional. After your images load, click Edit. This is where you fine-tune the look. Use the text option to add a short title, a date, or a call to action. Keep text brief so it doesn't overwhelm your images, and pick colors that contrast with the background for readability. You can drag to reposition the text and pinch or use handles to resize if needed. If any photo feels cropped awkwardly, look for simple positioning controls to nudge it into place without adding extra steps. Now add stickers to bring personality and context. A location tag, a time sticker, or a subtle emoji can help tell the story at a glance. Keep stickers away from important parts of your photos and avoid clutter. 2 or 3 thoughtful elements usually look best. When your edits feel right, click Apply. This saves your changes and returns you to the main composer. Take a breath here and quickly preview the arrangement. Look for even spacing, readable text, and a clear focal point. Before you publish, select a schedule option. You can share it immediately if the timing is right, or pick a later time to reach your audience when they're most active. If there's an audience selector available, double check it to ensure you're sharing with the right people. Finally, click Share. Your collage story will be queued up or posted based on your schedule choice. That's it, clean, simple, and done in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, try the same flow next time with a cohesive theme or color palette to make your stories feel consistent and memorable.